Welcome to Practical TPRM 101 learning series. When building a vendor inventory from scratch, start with one simple goal. Create a single, accurate list of all third parties your organization works with. As a TPRM analyst, do not rely on just one source. Begin with procurement records, accounts payable data, contract repositories, legal agreements, security tools, business owner inputs, and finance reports. These sources help you identify active vendors, software tools, service providers, consultants, and outsourced partners. Once you collect the names, clean the list by removing duplicates, inactive vendors, and one-time purchases that do not need ongoing TPRM review. Then, capture the key details that matter for risk management: vendor name, business owner, service provided, department using the vendor, contract status, etc. Next, group vendors by type and risk relevance. For example, a SaaS platform handling customer data needs more attention than an office stationery supplier. After that, assign ownership, because every vendor should have a clear internal business owner who can confirm usage and provide context. Finally, keep the inventory alive. A vendor inventory is not a one-time spreadsheet. It should be updated when new vendors are onboarded, contracts change, services end, or risk levels shift. If your organization is looking for a TPRM platform that can reduce vendor assessment time by up to 90% without increasing headcount, Safe Security can help. Safe Security's 100% autonomous TPRM solution helps organizations discover vendors, classify risk, automate assessments, and continuously monitor third-party exposure at scale. Book a demo today. Link is in the description. And if this video helped you understand the topic better, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep sharing simple, practical TPRM lessons in this series.